Elderberry, or Sambucus nigra, is a small, dark purple fruit from the European elder tree, known for its numerous health benefits. Here are some of the notable benefits of elderberry. Elderberry is rich in vitamins A, B, and C, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. It also contains antioxidants and antiviral properties that can help fight infections, including the common cold and flu. Elderberries are high in flavonoids, especially anthocyanins, which have strong antioxidant properties. These help to protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that elderberry can reduce the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms. Elderberry extract is often used in syrups and lozenges to help manage these illnesses. Elderberry has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and pain associated with various inflammatory conditions. The antioxidants in elderberry can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries. Elderberry is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. It also supports a healthy gut microbiome. Elderberry's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help keep the skin healthy, reduce signs of aging, and promote a clearer complexion. Elderberries are often used to make syrups, jams, jellies, wines, and teas. They have a tart flavor that adds a unique taste to various dishes and drinks. Elderberries should not be eaten raw, as they contain cyanogenic glycosides, which can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Cooking or processing the berries destroys these toxic compounds. Some people may experience allergic reactions to elderberry. It's essential to start with a small amount to ensure no adverse reactions occur. Elderberries offer numerous health benefits, particularly for the immune system, heart health, and skin health. They are versatile in culinary uses, but should always be consumed cooked or processed to ensure safety. Incorporating elderberry into your diet can be a great way to boost overall health and well-being.